In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to your cPanel hosting. There are two methods that we can follow, which are either setting up GoDaddy hosting with your domain or manually updating your name servers. If you're setting up a new hosting account with GoDaddy, the first method is the most straightforward one. Start by heading over to your GoDaddy product page. Once you're there, you'll see a section labeled Web Hosting. Look for your cPanel account in this area and click on Set Up next to it. You'll then get prompted to fill in various on-screen fields. This part of the process includes choosing the domain you want to associate with your cPanel account. After you've chosen your domain and filled out all the necessary information, click on Finish to complete the setup. If you're interested in having a website with WordPress, you have the option to install it during this setup process. Now, let's say you already have your cPanel hosting set up, or you're trying to connect a domain from a different registrar. In that case, the second method of manually updating your name servers would be the one to follow. Begin this process by logging into your GoDaddy account. Once logged in, navigate your way to your domain list. Here you'll find the domain that you want to connect, so go ahead and select it. Next, you'll need to locate the name server settings for your chosen domain. When you find these settings, choose Custom. Upon selecting Custom, you'll need to input the name servers provided by your cPanel host. These will generally look something like ns1.example.com and ns2.example.com. After entering your cPanel host's name servers, save your changes. It is important to note, though, that these changes might take a while to fully take effect. Usually, this can last up to 48 hours. This is due to the time it can take for these DNS changes to propagate across the internet. So there you have it. Two specific methods on how you can connect your GoDaddy domain with your cPanel hosting. Keep in mind it's crucial that you follow these steps carefully to ensure a successful setup. Remember, choosing between the two methods depends on whether you have a new hosting account or already have a setup ready. Nonetheless, either method should result in your GoDaddy domain properly connecting with your cPanel hosting.